smart power system which is ESP and tumble flow technology. Honda claims that the Activa 125 BS6 is now 13% more fuel efficient than its older generations. Coming to this scooty, the ergonomics is very nice. The dash is modern one with a mix of the analog speedometer and a digital display. सुमित, ये कौन है भाई? ये वही आदमी है ना जो कल यहाँ से पास किया था आई गेस?
हाँ वही है। तो ये कौन है यार?
पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है।
कहाँ से आया ये कौन?
पता नहीं, घूमने आया होगा शायद, टूरिस्ट होगा।
छोड़ो।
हाँ ठीक है भाई, चलो चलो इसके बाद ये शॉट ले लेते हैं हम लोग। हाँ चलो। हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दिस इज प्रसून बनर्जी एंड यू आर वाचिंग ऑटोमेनिया। Guys, we are back with another motorcycle review. Well, it's not a motorcycle, it's a scooter this time. And this scooter is famous for the past 15 years in our country. And this is offered by a brand called Honda, which we all know. So this scooter was launched some 15 years back. So I think you know what scooter I'm talking about. It's the legendary Honda Activa. And this is the latest avatar and the BS6 variant of the Activa 125. So let's start with the cinematics first. Honda Motorcycle and Scooters India has always been ahead of the curve when it comes to adhering to the never-changing automobile laws in our country. Honda has now updated its 125cc iteration of Activa to comply with the latest and the newest emission norms. And the scooter has now received several new features and styling upgrades during the transition. For starters, the BS6 compliant 124cc single-cylinder engine comes with fuel injection technology this time that produces a power of around 8.1 bhp at 6500 rpm and peak torque is around 10.3 Newton meters at 5000 rpm. The motor now benefits from an ACG starter technology, enhanced smart power system which is ESP and tumble flow technology. Honda claims that the Activa 125 BS6 is now 13% more fuel efficient than its older generations. Talking about the styling, well, the styling cues have received a few tweaks and the Activa 125 now packs an LED headlight along with an apron mounted LED position lamps. The full metal body and chrome highlights further improve the premium look of the scooter. Other conveniences features on the BS6 model include a malfunctional switch, idling stop system, pass switch, external fuel cap filler and a front glove box. Talking of the safety net on the scooter is handled by a side stand engine cutoff function and a CBS, which is the Combl braking system. The hardware compromises of telescopic front forks and 3-step adjustable spring-loaded suspension at the back. Dropping the anchors, which are the brakes, are handled by 190mm disc in the top spec at the front and 130mm drum setup at the rear. The semi-digital instrument cluster includes an analog speedometer, an LCD screen that shows current fuel efficiency, mileage, range, a trip meter and an odometer along with a clock. Well, that's really useful. The instrument console also features a malfunction lamp and a side stand indicator. Talking about the fuel capacity, the scooter holds a capacity of around 5.3 liters and with a fuel economy of around 53 kilometers 2 liter, which is a real life mileage according to the user review that do provide decent tank range. Comparatively, the older BS4 motor delivered only 46 km to a liter. Well, that is definitely an increase in fuel efficiency. The BS6 compliant Activa 125 makes use of the same components as the BS4 version. Hence, on the namesake alloy on the top end variant, you get a same 12-inch alloy rims, while the base variant gets a regular steel rims. The Activa 125 BS6 arrives in 3 variants, namely the standard, the alloy and the deluxe. With the curb weight of around 111 kgs, this scooter isn't exactly very light, and the underseat storage is around 18 liters, which is pretty decent. I sincerely thank Vision Honda Durgapur for providing me the opportunity to test their vehicles. If you are in Durgapur region and interested in any kind of Honda offerings, guys, feel free to contact Vision Honda Durgapur City Center. The details are given in the description box down below. So guys, now let's take this baby out for a ride review.
Hello guys, so we are out for a ride review. First thing first, very light, and when I did start this vehicle, there was no sound at all. Honda claims these are the silent start stop system, and well, that works perfectly fine guys, no problem at all. Coming to the ergonomics first, it is really light. And by the way, that Citroen C5, seriously, dude, that looks awesome. Coming to this scooty, the ergonomics is very nice. The dash is modern one with a mix of the analog speedometer and a digital display. It shows the fuel, level, the time, the fuel consumption, the average kilometer to a liter, and the range, and the total kilometers. Well, that's a really nice set of offerings from Honda Motors. The braking is really good guys. The tire department is a huge improvement because this comes with an disc brake and an alloy wheel, blacked out alloy wheels. Well, this is not the standard one, this is the deluxe variant, which means we have these offerings. We have a full LED headlamps, LED tail lamps, and we also have an FI system which gives a very good fuel economy. Along with that, this scooty is very greener and gives the perfect blend of air fuel ratio and the power to the rider to have the optimum performance. Well, these scooties will never be used on longer trips. Most of them will spend their lifespan in the cities, and on that aspect, this does the work fine. And we have this dual braking system where I'm pressing the rear brakes. I'm also getting the front brakes getting applied automatically. But I feel this bike is much more refined, much more premium in this riding department than the older generations, because see, all the bikes and scooters have moved a lot far than those BS4 offerings from the companies. This BS6 update did provide some crucial benefits and updates to the customer, which is the fuel injection, and next is this modern technology, these speedometers, this onboard diagnostic display, which will show if there is any offering, which will show if there is any problem in the vehicle. This light will glow on. Right now it is glowing because it's a new vehicle. Some of the electronics are not fully connected to this bike. Well, it does pull nicely. Guys, it's a fun scooty. Fuel filler cap is external, which is very easy to use. The foot space, the leg space over here is very large, and you get quite a bit of leg room in this one, which is a very good add-on in this segment. Guys, I just hung my the camera tripod stand over here, so it's quite a useful place. As I was saying, the scooty is packed on with way number of features actually. Like this one, it's a phone holder. You can pack in your phone over here, keep your useful things or some documents. Then this one, and the power, but the main downside is this scooty is down by around 0.2 PS and 0.2 Nm of torque than the BS4 variant. But that doesn't mean the essence of the scooty and the essence of the Activa is missing in this one. Honda claims that this scooty is around 13% more efficient than the older generation. So if that's true, then it's really good, good add-on for this segment of scooters. The competition this scooty faces is a lot, guys, especially from Hero MotoCorp with the Destiny, the Pleasure, and from TVS it's the Jupiter, the Ntorq, from Suzuki it's the Access 125, and her own sibling, the Activa 110, that's a 6G variant. So there's a hell lot of competition this scooter has to face in the Indian market. But what I feel is Honda will be, facing the competition head on and will still do good in Indian market, because it's the reliability, it's the brand, it's the, comfort and the tension-free ownership that the riders are looking for right now, especially the Indian customers. And Honda is perfect on that department. The engine feels refined, smoother than ever actually. With a weight of around 111 kgs, this is quite light. So guys, that's it for the ride review. Let me know in the comment section down below, how did you find the ride review of the Honda Activa 125. And if you are in Durgapur region, you can visit Vision Honda Durgapur for any kind of Honda motorcycle or scooters. That's Vision Honda Durgapur. I really thank them for offering me this scooter for a ride review. So guys, that's it from ride review. Let's move on to the next segment.
Guys, talking about the pricing, this scooter is offered at an on-road price of around 90 to 95,000 depending upon which city and state you belong to. And coming to the competitors, it's a huge list, guys. Talking about Hero MotoCorp, they are providing the Destiny 125. TVS has the Ntorq 125 and the Jupiter, which is very famous across the country. Next offering comes from Suzuki, the Suzuki Access 125, and even from Yamaha, the Yamaha YZF. So guys, this Activa has a huge competition in front of her. But this is Honda. Honda is huge, it's a brand, and the engine is offering the refinement, the looks and dynamics, including everything. Honda is taking this competition chin up on his face. Talking about pros and cons, this has a list of pros. Starting with the weight looks, the LED offering up front, the instrument console, the idling start-stop system, the silent start feature. Let me demonstrate that to you. No sound at all, there is no cranking sound in this scooter. So that's a really good add-on from Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India. Next is the full metal body, and it list goes on and on. Coming to the engine is refined, the engine is perfect. The reliability from Honda is top notch. Talking about the cons, I think Honda could have priced this scooter some 5 to 8,000 rupees cheaper. That would have given the Indian customer the perfect blend of engineering, which is given by Honda motorcycles, we have no doubt about it, and also affordability, guys. So I think Honda missed the trick by pricing this scooter 5,000 rupees higher. Finally, it's time to wrap up this episode of Automania. Let me know in the comment section down below, how did you feel about this latest offering from Honda, the Activa 125. If you ask my verdict, guys, this is one of the best selling scooters in the Indian market right now. So that says it all. The comfort, the rideability, the engine is just perfect. Overall, it's a great package provided by Honda Motorcycles and Scooters India. So on that note, it's time to wrap up this video. I will see you in some other videos with some other scooters or motorcycle review. Till then, as I always say, wear your helmet while riding, wear your seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Prashant Banerjee. You are watching Automania, signing off. Ta-da!